Asher's mini cartoons. Asher's mini cartoons. Asher's mini cartoons. Welcome back to another episode of Asher Mini Cartoons. Today we are going to be learning about the water cycle. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from? Or how clouds are formed? Well, today I'm going to teach you about all that. So let's get started. There's no start to a water cycle because it's a cycle. It just keeps on going in circles. So I'm going to start with evaporation. Evaporation happens when the sun shines onto a body of water. The water turns into gas and floats up into the sky. The next step is condensation. Condensation is the process of converting gas back into liquid to form clouds. When clouds get too heavy, gravity causes precipitation to come falling down. Precipitation includes rain, snow, and hail. Now, from precipitation, it can go two ways, either to transpiration or runoff. Let's talk about transpiration first. Transpiration is when water gets ejected from a tree or plant. The ejected water is then evaporated. And the other possibility, runoff. Runoff is when water is deposited into bodies of water, and the cycle starts again with evaporation. Thank you guys for watching this short but informative video about the water cycle. Bye!